Ever wondered how TypeScript handles primitive data types? Well, you're in for a treat today. TypeScript, a language we all know and love for its static typing, has a unique way of dealing with these fundamental building blocks of programming. To begin, we need to understand what primitive data types are. These are the basic values that are directly stored in memory. TypeScript supports a number of these primitive data types, each with its own particular use. First on the list is the number data type. This is pretty straightforward. It's used for numerical values. For instance, you might declare a variable num as a number and assign it the value of 10. Next up, we have the string data type. This is used for textual data. A variable str could be declared as a string and assigned the value hello. Then we have the boolean data type. This one only has two possible values, true or false. A boolean flag might be set to true. We also have the null data type, which only has one value, null. This is often used to represent the intentional absence of any object value. Then there's the undefined data type. A variable that has not been assigned a value is undefined. Finally, we have the symbol data type, which is used to create unique identifiers for objects. Now you might be wondering, why does TypeScript bother with these data types? Well, there are a few key advantages. Firstly, there's type safety. TypeScript enforces strict typing, which reduces the likelihood of runtime errors by ensuring that variables hold values of their declared types. Secondly, there's readability. Explicitly declaring data types enhances code readability and makes it easier for developers to understand the intended use of variables. And thirdly, there's maintainability. By providing clear documentation of data types, TypeScript code becomes more maintainable and less prone to bugs during refactoring or updates. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are a couple of disadvantages to consider as well. For one, using type annotations can sometimes make code verbose, especially in cases where the inferred types are already obvious. And two, developers new to statically typed languages may face a learning curve when transitioning to TypeScript due to the requirement for type annotations. To wrap it all up, primitive data types in TypeScript offer benefits such as type safety, readability, and maintainability. However, they may introduce verbosity and require developers to become familiar with type annotations. Overall, TypeScript's support for primitive data types enhances code reliability and robustness, contributing to a better development experience. So there you have it, a quick tour of how TypeScript handles primitive data types. It's a vital part of the TypeScript language, and understanding it can help you write more robust and reliable code.